been feeling emotional.
Hey, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, guys, I want to share with you guys how I decorated my lounge area for the fall season. Guys, I wanted to give you some inspiration. So with this video, I'm using some of my more bold colors in with the black. You do know that I have changed everything within my home with a lot of black furniture. And I do know sometimes colors can give off a little overkill, but it's your home. Do what you like, and I guarantee you it'll turn out right every time. Without saying anything else, I can't wait to share with you. Of course, you can see in the background, I have this great pop of, I call this more like a rust orange more than a burnt orange, but it probably is within that cinnamon kind of color. But that's my pop of color that I'm going to be adding into the space this year. Guys, if you're new, I am Shakira. Thank you guys for joining in today. Please like, share, and comment. This would help my channel to continue to grow and me to evolve and come back and share with you some amazing videos. Follow me on all my social medias at Style by Shakira. Let's get on to today's video, guys.
I've been feeling emotional. Thinking about you, babe. What can we focus on? What we should do? Tell me the truth. Cause I don't wanna see you with somebody else. And I've been feeling lonely in this king-size bed. I'm trying not to worry about the things you say. I ain't got the time, you're always on my mind. Baby, why you playing with my love? I'm trying to be patient with you now. I'll never be sober if you don't pull me closer. Look me in my eyes and tell me how. I'm hypnotized. I'm hypnotized. I've been feeling delusional. Thinking about us, babe. Your body's so beautiful. All I want is your love. Can't get enough. Cause I don't wanna see you with somebody else. And I've been feeling lonely in this king-size bed. I'm trying not to worry about the things you say. I ain't got the time, you're always on my mind. Baby, why you playing with my love? I'm trying to be patient with you now. I'll never be sober if you don't pull me closer. Look me in my eyes and tell me how. I'm hypnotized. I'm hypnotized. Baby, why you playing with my love? I'm trying to be patient with you now. I'll never be sober if you don't pull me closer. Look me in my eyes and tell me how. I'm hypnotized. I'm hypnotized.
Okay, friends, so let's get started over here on the focal wall. So for those of you that are new, I had this wall painted in this amazing black. I cannot recall the actual black it is, but it is a Sherwin-Williams, and I keep saying I'm gonna find it, and I never go look. But anyway, it's a nice black, and I absolutely love it. And this wall decor is a shower curtain that my husband put together on this black matte canvas that I purchased from Hobby Lobby. Y'all, I just love the way it turned out. This is nothing new. People have been doing the shower curtain creations forever. I just like being able to create art that's different. Especially when I'm looking for a certain type of art, I'm able to just make what I want. And that's what I do now. I kind of been creating things to match my decor, and I can change it out. It's affordable. So I love it. These little florals, whatever you want to call them, pampas grass, I do not like them. They were supposed to be tall and long to go in my gold vase. However, they did not turn out the way I thought they would, but I was able to still use them in the space and put them in this black vase that I got from Ross a long time ago. But I just love the shape and the detailing of it. The top of this kind of has remained the same from summer, and it still matches what I love. Those glasses that sits in the back, let me put a little light because this black might be killing it. Those are from Amazon. This is some water, and I purchased these from Ross. They just they match, so I kind of put them in here for decor. Aesthetically, it look good. And then the glasses here, these are from Ross. I bought those around the holiday a couple of years ago, and they look so amazing in the space. Let me tone it down a little bit. There we go. And the gold tray is also from Ross. The ice bucket is from, I think it's from Ross. And I love it. It's either Ross or Burlington, but you know how we do. And then the gold tea light candles or glam candles, those are from Ross. The black metal candle holders, those are from Ross as well. And everything here, now these used to be silver. I got them from Hobby Lobby, and of course your girl always doing a DIY, and I wanted to fit in some of my kind of my burnt orange or cinnamon, whatever you want to call it, into the space. Adding in this faux artichoke gave it some greenery vibes, and then this black and white glass ceramic apple, it gave the pop that I needed. So decorating that in threes is definitely working for me. Now again, this cabinet, I've had it forever. I think I got this from Walmart.com. I don't even remember, y'all, but they sell it everywhere. If you're still interested in it, you can definitely look over there. I do plan to paint the silver black. I just don't know when I'm gonna feel up to it, but I do plan to. It might be sometime in the fall when I get some downtime. The florals in here are Christmas florals, and I like the way they look in this vase here that I got from Ross. It's like a mosaic glam vase, and I still love it in the space. It's still subtle, so I have one of those on each side of the mirror cabinets. Inside of the cabinet, I store like some glasses and different candles and things that I need. I can just kind of pull out. So it got a lot of good storage space. So a new addition to the space is this wall decor mirror in iron and wood or whatever. I got two of these. I flipped one upside down so that it looks different on each wall next to the curtains. So this came from Burlington's. I think these were like $50 or $49.99, $50. And I was like, y'all, these are the perfect touch to my decor. It was like these were made for me. I was so excited. So I had to get them. So yeah, I got those from Burlington. And I finally broke down and got my lazy butt to Walmart. And I got me some more of that black and white marble paper, contact paper, and I covered up my freezer. I told you guys, it wasn't coming out the space, but I was going to make it go with the decor. So I think that it goes great. And hey, I like it, and that's what matters. In my space, it's what I like. So yeah, I actually love that. Now the curtains here, these are the grommet curtains. I'm supposed to change these out. I never got around to it. So they remained in the space. The bottom of those have like a gold peeping through, which that's fine because the gold highlights work. Now, the new addition to this space here, of course, outside of the chairs are from Wayfair. Love them. Super wide and comfy. Love them. The throw is old. It was from Ross so many seasons ago. But y'all, I purchased these pillow covers. Trying to brighten it up. These pillow covers. Now, only thing I hate about these, they were only in 18. I wanted them to be 20, but they only came in 18, but that's fine because I always got some pillow inserts for every size. And for the scale of what I was going for, they work. Y'all know I'm on my little animal print frenzy. I'm just not overdoing it. I'm just putting it in hints of, you know. So this is my fall safari look, and I'm loving it. I am loving it. So yeah, that is working. So these came in a pack of 2. I will put this in my Amazon store and link it. I think they were like $14.99 for a pack of 2. Now they do have these little tassels that came on each end of them. So I like them.
Feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a good. I put that on God when it gets hard.
The rug is from Amazon, and I will link that in my Amazon store as well. And yeah, so I love that. This is a pumpkin that I recently hauled, and this is from Ross. I think it was like $6.99. And I know everybody, you know, there's a lot of people, I'm not putting all the pumpkins up. This is my home. I'm going to put my pumpkins up that I like. Do you? Shakira still like her pumpkins, okay? I ain't pay for my pumpkins just to come out 2 seasons. They're going to come out when I like them. You do you, but I'm going to do mine because I'm a maximist. I'm not a minimalist. So anyway, these came from, I think, Ross or either, let me see. I took it off. But these came from Ross, I want to say. But I think Burleson's had them 1 year. The X and O is from Ross. I think I got this from Ross. And then this is one of my faux champagne wine pieces that I painted black. Got a little faux greenery inside of there. All right, and so here is the other wall decor piece that I absolutely love. And this pop of burnt orange or cinnamon or whatever you want to call it looks so good with this black and white. And I just think it goes great. I love it. Yes, I do. So this is what it's looking like.
Love so you can go with the negativity, with that mentality. Jump on jealousy, my bad. Get away from me, 'cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter.
The lamp came from a past review that I did a while back, but I love it, and it goes great with the space, with the aesthetic of the black and gold and white. The sconces, again, those are from Z Gallery. The candles are from Hobby Lobby, and the lights above the decor is from Amazon. I'll try to make sure I link those. These canvas or wall decor is either from Burleson or Ross, but I will try to link some similar ones just in case you're interested in those. And my chair, guys, is from Walmart. Love this chair. It's so comfortable. This is my go-to lounge chair when I need me some quiet time. Absolutely. It fits me. It just cuddles me. And I love it. And my husband and I have actually fell asleep on it together in this chair. So we fit pretty well. So I added in these 2 pillows here and removed the back pillow that came with it just because I wanted to add in some more of that, what is this, that burnt orange or rust color. And I think it just fits so well in the space. I just love it, y'all. And then over here in the vase, let me stop messing with y'all. Over here in the vase here is like a gold metal vase. And this came from Ross. And all I do, I just have a couple of Christmas florals or whatever you want to call them, sprigs. I don't know, faux plants. And they're like gold glitter. And those are just kind of coming out. I didn't want to overkill. So this looks so great. It looks so simple, yet it has a great pop to it. So Y'all, this is it. I love this space. I have a couple of more rooms and spaces that I'm working on. I do have my family room that I have fully decorated. So I'll be sharing that with you really, really soon. Guys, I thank you so, so much.
Hey, already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your winner. I'ma make her better.
Now that you guys have seen how I decorated my lounge space, what do you think? I absolutely love how cozy it feels in this space. It is just so amazing how just one little simple pop of color can add so much more to the space. I am so ready for the fall season this year. It's been super hot, and I know we have all been super hot. But you know, if you live somewhere in the South, it's always extreme temperatures. So we can't wait to start sipping on some of our cocoa and just being inside our homes, enjoying it in peace. So with that being said, thank you guys so, so much. Please make sure that you follow me for all my upcoming videos. And I thank you all, my friends, for coming back and watching me from time after time and helping my channel continue to grow. Love you guys. Until next time. Bye.